Ever felt completely overwhelmed? Racing thoughts, tight chest, stress that just won't let go? Yeah, me too. I've always been prone to stress and anxiety. To be honest, some nights it even keeps me up. But here's the thing, I have a tool, a breathing technique I turn to when I need to hit reset. It's incredibly powerful, backed by science, and it works fast. So today I want to share it with you. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Jonathan and I specialize in helping people struggling with stress and anxiety regain clarity, calm and control through breathing techniques that are proven by science. Did you know that most of us breathe in a way that fuels anxiety but without actually knowing it? Take a moment to notice your breath right now. If you're stressed, it's probably short and shallow. It's possible that you're not even noticing it because you've been breathing in this way for your entire life. The problem is, when you breathe this way, your body thinks there is danger. So it stays locked in fight or flight mode. But we can flip that script in seconds, just by extending the exhale. Here's how it works. 1-2 breathing is surprisingly simple yet incredibly powerful. You breathe in for a certain count, say 4 seconds, and then you double the exhalation, so that means 8 seconds in this case. That's it. No complicated techniques, no special equipment, just your breath. But the effects are more powerful than you would think. Science backs this up. Studies show that slow breathing reduces stress and even improves decision making. And trust me, I rely on this technique all the time. Whenever I feel overwhelmed by everything I need to learn and create for this channel, or when self-doubt creeps in, I pause, breathe in for 4 seconds and then exhale for 8. And just like that, I feel more in control almost immediately. With every slow, extended exhale, you're literally sending a signal to your brain saying, hey, we're safe. You can relax now. And within moments, your body starts to respond. Your heart rate slows, tension melts away, and your mind starts feeling clearer. This simple technique is actually used by elite athletes and even Navy SEALs, and also many stress professionals to remain calm in high pressure situations. Now let's try it together. We will do 3 rounds together and it couldn't be simpler. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Now exhale for 8 seconds. If you find it challenging to slow down your exhalation enough, you can try pursing your lips or clenching your teeth lightly. This helps control and extend the airflow. Okay, again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Congrats! You've just unlocked one of the most efficient and accessible breathing technique to master your stress and calm in a completely new way, and it's called 1-2 breathing. And it's ready for you to use anytime life throws chaos at you. Whether it's looming deadlines or family obligations or creative blocks, you now have a way to retake control one breath at a time. This works anytime you feel overwhelmed. Before a big meeting, or when you're stuck in traffic, or if your anxiety keeps you up at night. One important key is consistency. Try it every morning for a week. just 1 or 2 minutes, and notice the difference in how you feel. Doing this daily comes with powerful benefits. Number one, you build proficiency. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to use this technique effectively when stress hits. It becomes second nature, your go-to tool in tough moments. Number two, you rewire your nervous system. Regular sessions of slow, conscious breathing don't just have an effect in the moment. They create lasting change. Over time, your body learns to stay calmer. Your stress resilience gets stronger. And when challenges arise, you will be able to handle them with more ease and control. One useful thing to keep in mind is that the 1-2 ratio is just an approximation. What really matters most is that your exhalation is slower than your inhalation. So if you're breathing in this way and you notice that instead of 8 seconds, you take 7 or 9 seconds, that's completely okay. The general 1-2 ratio is where the magic really happens. But if you do struggle to keep track of your breathing, using an app like iBreathe as a timer can be incredibly useful in the beginning especially. Give this a try today and let me know in the comments. How did it feel? Did you notice even the slightest shift? I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you want more simple, science-backed breathing techniques to ease stress and calm, please hit like and subscribe. There's so much more to share, and I can't wait to guide you through it. Remember, your breath is one of the most powerful tools you have to retake control in any challenging situation. And the best part? It's always with you, ready to help whenever you need it. Next week I'll be sharing yet another amazing breathing hack designed to quiet racing thoughts and calm intense emotions fast. Please don't miss it.